Are you trying to get down? Huh? Are you? Trying to get on the ground? You want to fly away? Yeah? Where are you going? Where do you think you're going? Huh? Yeah, where are you going? Where are you going, silly bird? Huh? You gonna fly off? Huh? There she goes. What are you doing down here? Huh? Hoo-hoo. What are you doing on Grandma's floor? Huh? You're lucky I swept it today. Oh, you can't chew that up. Come on. Come on. She's like, no, I want to. Nope, 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 nope. Covering you up. Covering you up. What are you doing? She goes underneath there because she knows I can't get her from under there. She's a stinker. Are you a stinker? Where are you going? 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 She's like, I'm done. I'm going to go to this one. Should I wrap you up? Should I wrap you up? No? You don't want to be wrapped up? Huh? Come here. Woo-wee. Go for a ride? Come on. Let's go for a ride. Where'd you go? Want to go for a ride in that one? Should we go for a ride? Whoops. Watch out. Watch out. You silly girl. You silly girl. Oh my goodness. Ah. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Come on. Lewis. Alrighty. We better get you out of here before you get in trouble. Woohoo. I'm stealing the carpet from you. Can't have it. Gotta protect it. There's healthier things for you to chew on, you know. You know that. You know there's healthier things for you to chew on. Oh my goodness. Silly girl. All right, we got to get you out. We got to get you back in your spot. Yes, we do. Because you can't chew on Grandma's carpet all night long. There won't be nothing left. There won't be nothing left. Yep. Silly bird. Silly bird. She's like, I'm going to go over to this other one. Oh, making me save all the carpets. Making me save all the carpets. Are you making me get my workout in? Huh? Huh? Ooh. Ooh. Should we go for a ride? Oh, you weren't supposed to get off. I was going to take you for a ride. All right, she's on this one. Woo! Where are you going? It's gonna take you for a ride. She's going over to the other one. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. What's Mama doing? What's Mama doing? Come on. Let's go in the living room. Let's go in the living room. Come on. Your little feet sound so cute. I hear that. I hear that. Come on. Lewis. She's like, I'm busy, Mom. Come on. You ready to go? Are you ready to go? Huh? Are you ready to go? Come on. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. She's like, you come near me, I'm going to bite you, because that's what I do. Because she's an African Grey, and that's what parrots do. Yes. Mama's taking it away. Silly girl. Silly girl. Silly girl.